Welcome to Winning Wall Street's Money. Please take this moment now with helping me. Click here, subscribe. Next, click this bell. Next, ensure to click all. This helps you receive a notification when I posted my next videos. Next, click this thumbs up button after every time you watch my video. This pushes it up in the engagement ratings and means it will be suggested to more people, therefore is likely to get more views to my YouTube channel. I really appreciate that. I also have a Patreon page. Click show more. Scroll down. This link here, my Patreon. Click on it. Select the membership. With this membership, you'll get access to all this information. Very good content. Friday, September 3rd, 3:51 p.m. New York time. Energy, the solar sector stocks. Each grid will be having a candle in a weekly time frame and looking at a 1-year duration. So the first one is Charlie, Sierra, India, Quebec. After this current trend made an all-time new low for the year, we followed up with the inside candle, which was Hala, which is equivalent to a green candle. And we broke out to the upside, higher high, higher low. So the current trend is to the upside. There's a lot of consolidation around that $40 price level. Around here and around here on both sides. So one expects it's going to be continuing going up to that range. Breaks and closes above that, then maybe have a good chance to take out that swing high. So that's a trade opportunity. Delta, Quebec. Also made a reverse the past weeks, trending up above that $50 level. That's good. Big round number. Big round number. Let's see what happens when we get inside the midpoint of here, which is around that $80 level. Because we had that spike up here, failed to close up there. So that also is a significant price level, around that 74.25. But that's where the current trend is, working its way up. Echo, November, Papa, Hotel. This is better, way off the lows. That's good. It's in midpoint of the range. So the current trend is up between this swing high, this swing low. So it's in a consolidation as well too, but the trend is up. And this low did not take out this low. So that's another bullish bias. See what happens if it gets that $200 and closes above that. But it's looking better than some of the other ones. Foxtrot, Sierra, Lima, Romeo. Inside candle for the week. It's in consolidation. That right around this $95 level. And that prior trend was up. So this consolidation is getting tight. Small bodies, tills on both ends. So whatever end it breaks out, that's going to be the next trend. And one would think because the prior trend was already up, this would have a probability of bias leaning to break out to the upside. So that's another trade idea. Juliet, Kilo, Sierra. This pullback did not take out the low of the year. That's good. It also had that inside candle like that other one I showed you, broke out to the upside. So the momentum and the trend is to the upside. That's good. Very good. Mike, Alpha, X-Ray, November. Past 3 weeks, the trend has been up. Closer to the low of the year. But again, takeaway is a lot of these have already reversed and the trends are up. Let's look at some more solar. Same thing. Each candle will be a week. We're looking at a 1 year duration. So here was a high for the year. We're looking at November, Oscar, Victor, Alpha. And here was a low for the year. The current trend is up, but it's in this tight consolidation. That's actually building a wedge. We'll see what happens shortly. If it's going to have a breakout from there to the upside. There's the wedge. If the prior trend was already up, this actually has been a nice demand zone where buyers have been stepping in. Even though the top of the wedge is leaning down, so the trend was up, pullback of a retracement with buyers stepping in here as a demand zone. Yeah, that's giving a good bullish bias leanness to the upside. So time will tell. Time will tell. But this triangle with that wedge in there, watch that one closely. Romeo, Uniform, November. Yep. Also, when this trend went lower, we had that inside candle. Quite a few of them past week had that inside candle and then broke out to the upside, giving bullish momentum to the upside. That's nice. Sierra, Echo, Delta, Golf. As well, this is in a wedge. And look at that. We had a trend, the pullback, reverse to trend to the upside. And in that wedge now, we'll see if we can break out this swing high here. That's nice. That's also bullish bias. Sierra, Papa, Whiskey, Romeo. Yep, near record low for the year. Still struggling down here. Tango, Alpha, November. Yep, also made a reverse. So demand zone buyer stepped in here, went down, buyer stepped in here again, then again, making it demand zone, and the trend is up. So we'll see if we can take out this swing high here, but it's nice. Quite a few of these are looking pretty good. There we go. So let's look at, just for review, on the crude oil. Crude oil. Actually, let's look at crude oil and energy. So we'll look at crude oil and natural gas on the weekly time frame. Here's crude oil. Yep, it's going strong. So this green candle is bullish engulfing. Yep, going up higher. And natural gas, record high for the year, strong like bull. And then when we look at the dollar, the US dollar index, the US dollar broke down. So weaker dollar has commodities go higher. We just saw that natural gas hitting an all-time high. So one would think might put more of a demand on those solar stocks. But comment below if you're in any energy stocks, specifically solar. Thank you, as always, for spending just a little bit of your time with me. Let me know what you thought about this video. And please let me know what you want to see next. If you got value from this video, if this was helpful, then please consider sharing a small monetary donation to my channel. By going below and clicking on my PayPal link, you can leave a small tip. If you don't want to share financial support, no problem. Just click the like and subscribe.